So we are at the South Tower, room number 3434 of the Apollo Ocean Suite at the Hard Rock Hotel. As you come in, you're gonna come to the left-hand side where the bathroom is. Just a standard sink. Got the toilet over here. A little small, more for the guests. As you walk over, you see the flooring. Everything's marble coming out to the rugs. You see over here the molding, all the detail that's put into it. The view is absolutely gorgeous. You can see right over the ocean view. Everything's gonna be lit up, probably in an hour or so, once the night really hits. Absolutely gorgeous view. Come over here, this is the living room area. It's coming off with the 65-inch TV. This little entertainment section right here. Then over here, you have the bar section. You can put your whatever you bring, your food, drinks. You got your coffee makers, the glass, your bucket to bring ice. Obviously, we got little ones, so we stashed everything up there for them. This is our fridge here. Now you come back here. This is the dining area. Right in front of the balcony. You can come out to the balcony. It's a gorgeous view out here. You can step on that. Right over there you can see Bally's Hotel, Caesars, Atlantic Palace. You can see right over the Ferris wheel where we're at, right down over to the boardwalk. Amazing view. Again, come on in. Now we go to the master bedroom, which is separated. Have a table where you have, well, obviously it's going to be our toy section, but the windows are over here. They're opened up. You can see over the ocean as well. King size bed. This is, I believe, a 55-inch TV. You come over here. It's gonna have your closet. Put all your belongings in. Has your shelving, a iron. Has the drawers. They're pretty deep actually. A lot deeper than what I thought it was gonna be. You're safe to put any jewelry, money, or anything of high value. Right over here you have the drawers right next to the beds. Your alarm clock. You have your inputs for your cell phones. You have more outlets here. Your light dimmer. So pretty standard. Sitting over here. Now we're gonna come in here. This is the master bathroom. Now you come in here. This is absolutely gorgeous. Come in here. This is the tub where we're probably gonna wind up spending more time in. shower. It's pretty roomy over here. Has this seat right here where you can just sit down and relax. This one. There you go. And you have a double sink vanity over here. Have all the essentials here. You know, your soap, your lotions, you know, your hand soaps, washcloths. Over here, this is a private bathroom area for you to come in, do your business. Pretty roomy. That's it. Also, there's a hair dryer. You don't have to bring your hair dryer. It's provided over here for you. So you have your iron, you have your hair dryer. It's pretty much everything you need. You know, especially the females, you know, they bring all the extras with them, the curling irons, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I like it. Again, this is the South Tower Ocean View Suite, and yeah, we're looking forward to our stay.